Alrighty, y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the 365 organic virgin coconut oil. This stuff is great. It comes, first of all, in a 14 fluid ounce bottle, or can, or jar. So you get quite a bit in here. So if you don't use coconut oil a lot, this is something that's, it's going to last you a pretty long time. For me, I use coconut oil for many different things. First of all, I use it for like physical health reasons. So you can put it on your skin. It's really great for your skin. It's really great for your hair. And beyond that, it's great for cooking. You can use coconut oil in a pretty wide variety of things. One of the guys that I was living with before, his family was Thai, and so we used to make lots of different kinds of curries with this coconut oil. You can kind of use it as a base for curries or stir fries or things like that. I also use it a lot in different smoothies. You can basically add it in there. It's a nice little addition to smoothies, especially for ones that are, I guess you could say, like more island style. So if you're using like pineapple or anything in your smoothies, it's really nice. Just it adds kind of a little flair to it, It is totally organic, USDA. So for those of you who like organic products, then you'll be happy with this. It is vegan as well, like most coconut oils and coconut products are. It's not really like a substitute for a lot of things, although it can be like healthier for in terms of certain oils, but it's not like oaky sort of substance that you would use as a substitute for milk or cream. And let's take a look at the inside really quick. Y'all can see that. I really do love this gold lid, by the way. The gold lid that comes with this thing is really nice. Kind of helps it to stand out, gives it a nice classier look than you would typically see on like organic sort of packaging of products. Fits on pretty tightly too and keeps everything nice and fresh. So a little bit about this coconut oil. It was surprisingly very high quality coconut oil. One thing that I found is that, especially when I bought cheaper kinds of coconut oil in the past, and again, this is very inexpensive, which is great, especially considering the fact that it's Whole Foods manufactured. It's very inexpensive, though there's a really surprising amount of coconut flavor in there. So do let it be known that when you use this, no matter what you use it in, you will be getting a coconut flavor added. So, there are some people who like adding coconut oil to things just because they need an oil kind of substitute. Though this really isn't the best for that because it doesn't have a neutral taste whatsoever. It's very strong, very noticeable, but not to a point where it's overwhelming either. That being said, it's not the best, virgin coconut oil that I've tried in my life. Though I would, very much order this brand again and again, as it is nice. I love the fact that it comes in this glass jar. Kind of fits in well with everything else that I use in my kitchen. I use tons of like mason jars and things like that, so that's great. It has some information on the back as well, and heats up really well too and melts really well, which is another great thing about this. It does stay very solid when it's in the jar, which is great. You're not going to get a lot of oil residue on the top. What I've noticed with this virgin coconut oil, like you do with some, typically it kind of separates and you get a lot of the actual like coconut pulp or the actual like fat of the coconut at the bottom, and the oil rises to the top. This one stays pretty even throughout, pretty well balanced, which I really like, because then if you need to heat it, you know that you're getting all the oils as well if you're going to plan on melting it to make it into something that you can pour over, which is really nice. But yeah, if you're in the market for a good virgin coconut oil for really whatever use you can think of for it, I would highly recommend this one. It's very inexpensive and just works really well, and you get a lot for what you pay for. Again, it's the 365 organic, unrefined, expeller pressed virgin coconut oil, and do yourself a favor and check this out. It's got a lot of health benefits as well, so you'll like that. Alrighty guys, take it easy.